Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. Here are a fantastic jersey of Manchester United. This is the away jersey for this season in fan version. We already seen the player version, you can find here the review. I think it's a really nice jersey. In my ranking, this is a 4-star. This is not my favorite for this season of Manchester United. I think that the best is the 3rd. Let me know if you agree or if you prefer this one or the home jersey. Leave a comment here below to let me know what other jersey you would like to see in the future. And subscribe the channel. I know for you is nothing, it's just a click, but for me it means a lot. For today that's all, per oggi è tutto, see you next time, ciao!